What's up, guys? Coupe 69. I'm down here in the old Kerbeck Corvette, which is now called Ciocca Corvette, up in Atlantic City, New Jersey. I'm having the 5VM kit installed, original GM. I was thinking about doing maybe aftermarket, but just don't think the quality is there. You're spending this type of money, might as well get the real deal. I'm sure GM had tested the kit specifically for the car. Plus it'll be fully warranted and so on. So it's getting installed, and while it's getting installed and I wait, check out their inventory. It's ridiculous. As I understand it, every single one of these C8s is already sold. But wow, this black one, I think this one's done just right. It's black on black. It's a hardtop convertible with the black interior, white stitching. It just looks so sinister. Never thought black would look this good, but in real life, it just looks awesome. It's got that F430 vibe to it, or just in real life looks great. If you guys ever wanted to see any of these cars in person, if you're trying to debate on color options and so on, this is the place to be. You could literally see every possible color combination model here. It is awesome, just awesome. Corvettes upon Corvettes, and then some more Corvettes. You got coupes, you got convertibles. Really nice color combos. Look at that lineup, how beautiful is that? Look at that. That's a cool combo too. Look at that. It's a red one. Black rims, red brake calipers. Just the sills in the back are blacked out. Everything else is red. Spoiler's black too. Black one with the yellow brake calipers. Looks good too. So many vets, so little time. That one's extremely similar to mine. Looks like just different rims, different brake calipers. Hey Joe, how are you? This one's done right too. It's a coupe, it's not a convertible, but I love the way they did this thing. Really pops, wow. Yeah, with the blue interior, it's exactly how I would spec it.